So I have now put on the Motone Shortys, just watching other people putting on their Shortys there. Yeah, what a size difference we've got going on. This whole thing now down to just, hold on, I'll get my light, down to just that. So quite a substantial drop in size. However, fitment wise, not 100% sure it doesn't quite fit. So maybe I need to hammer some things in a little bit more or do something, but there's quite a bit of a gap going on here. But I just need to stick on the exhaust clamps there. They're just cleaning in a bath of toilet duct, and we'll give it the first sound off, see what it's like. No warning signs. That is significant.